tear the rest of the shingles off from about right here, over, and then up the valley. Clean that off, and then I can dry it in, and I can level out the valley.
Sounds like a plan. As long as it don't rain.
If it don't rain. If it does, don't rain.
Gary's nailing the nails in that have come up a little bit, so he's securing them down before he covers that part. He's got his Hawaiian shirt on today working. As hot as it is, ooh, scared me. As hot as it is, he probably feels like he's in Hawaii. Yeah, you scared me. You wasn't.
A little bit of debris on here is all it is.
So the plywood looks in good shape?
Excellent shape. There ain't a flaw in it nowhere.
Good.
One more sweeping. Yeah. All the nails. There's always a couple sneaks in where you don't see them at.
Yeah.
Up here.
They blend in well, don't they?
Yep. Or I just can't see good.
Well, that's like the yard. I went through and thought I got everything. Go back through and you get another. Are you going to be able to get all that out of the gutter?
Oh, yeah.
Didn't we need to put drip edge back before you put those shingles?
I can poke it in underneath.
Oh, okay. He started on some shingles out there on the end. And he really likes that sticky stuff. Although he says you have to peel it just right.
You let it touch yourself, done for.
Yeah, I'd say you'd never get it apart.
Oddly enough, the top side of this sticks right to this stuff really well. See?
Yep.
Amazing. Oh, the way they did that, I have no idea.
Man, that is sticky. I hope you never have to take that stuff up.
I mean, you hope you never have to take that stuff. I ain't gonna do it.
I'd say that'd be a pain.
Yeah.
We'll just cut the whole plywood off.
Huh?
If we have to take it up, we'll just cut the whole plywood off.
That's it, exactly.
Sticking to him.
What time is it?
it getting really hot?
It's not bad yet. Just hope the rain holds off.
Me too.
You know, I think they do that on purpose on this to make that way. So you have to mess it up and you have to buy more. I believe that.
That's their master plan. That's the gaff, I guess you call it gaff, G-A-F, peel and stick underlayment. We got it at Lowe's. I think it was $79 a box.
I missed the nail.
That Gary's pulling up is the rhino lining. Evidently he missed a nail under it or something. Yep. Okay, well, I think he's coming down for water now.
It's not really like a spoon where it just holds it in there and just slowly works its way down.
Yep.
Yep.
Well, maybe you can find where it's leaking at.
Yep.
So there's the culprit. When it rained last night, there was a lot of wind, so I guess Gary's right. Probably just lifted it up. But he's going to screw a board down along through there to help hold it down because we're supposed to have more rain tonight.
I see the problem up here.
Uh-huh.
That blew up, but drip edge is like at an angle like that so the water could run in.
Oh.
So I'll have to correct that for I think.
Has the drip edge always been that way, or?
I don't know. I'll figure it out.
Huh.
got a pretty good little pitch there. I'll get that corrected.
Well, I guess it's good you saw it before you shingled.
Yep. Well, I planted on it. And down there, it looks like it kind of just levels out. Weird. I mean, the rest of it looks fine. Looks good. Cooking. Just the way I was.
We had to put a tarp down and just throw the shingles on the tarp yesterday because the transfer station was closed and the truck bed was full. So we're going to be closed tomorrow for Labor Day. Tuesday we'll get the truck unloaded and I can start loading these.